Welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Where are we? Nathan says, thanks for the video. You are welcome. Kiana says, hello Skinny, can you give a look at Fetch USD? Yo, bro, you don't look at Fetch when it's up. You always look at Fetch before the break occurs. Before the break or when things are down. Hey, Skinny, can you please take a look at Fetch? Sure. Hey, Skinny, can you take a look at Fetch? Sure. Bro, that's so overbought. Hey, Skinny, can you take a look at Fetch? Yeah. Yeah, no. Can we still go higher from here? Sure, of course. For sure. But do you buy Fetch at $2? Or would you buy Fetch at 24 cents? Or would you buy Fetch at 6 cents? $2 when it has already done, how many percent is this? 5,000%. Hey, Skinny, can you take a look at Fetch? Fetch is too late. You move on from Fetch. And Neil say, could you do a dedicated video for only meme coins? Hey, yo, bro, I do this regularly. That could be fun. Yo, bro, I have fun every week. Go all the way down to the now famous Dolan Tramp and the funny popular ones. I don't see anything. We did go through it in Patreon, but yeah, that's just you know, I went through it on my own. So again, YouTube, right? So if you want to go to YouTube, right, search for Skinny Moon Hunter, right? You'll probably come to my channel. Once you come to my channel, you can go to videos, right? And then I regularly talk about memes. I don't know where. I mean, you probably must be new, but last week we just did cats, right? Right before it just took off, we talked about cats. If you got into cats, good job, really good job. Top 20, there's Shiba Inu, there's Dogecoin, right? If you go far enough, you will also see that there are also a lot of other meme coins that we come across regularly. Discord bots. Okay, it's like months ago. Okay, probably it's time for meme coins. So how we do things is 1 week we'll do top 50. Another week we'll do categories, right? So last week we did categories. We did layer 1. We did cats. We also did Launchpad, Binance Launchpad. So these are the 3 categories that we went through last week. Right, on Fridays we check out comments. Mondays we do top 10. It's very important to see where the top 10 is. So top 10 Mondays, Fridays, comments, and yeah, this is interchangeable. Right, we alternate the weeks like this. Right, so this week is a top 50 week. Top 10, top 20, top 30, top 40. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, boys and girls. User says, I really like the Bitcoin cats. Bought some at 6 cents. Hey, good luck to you. I would like 1 inch done. What? Thinking about buying and Jasmine. Send us some 50x a year, bro. You must be new. We regularly come across 100x's even. 100x's. If you've been paying attention and if you watch every single thing, you will come across them and you will see it. You will open up your eyes and you will see the gems that we come across, right? I think you probably need, you know, I mean, if you want to be spoon-fed, then yeah, you know, there are only 3 reasons why people won't make money this bull run. It's either you're stupid, you're lazy, or you're arrogant. No other reason. Paris Hilton says, Skinny for press. Thank you very much. Thank you for your analysis and picks. They've been super simple to follow and reliable as fuck. Near CR Cat and others. Run, pay attention. Paris Hilton has paid attention. See, so he sees it and he knows what's going on. So, you know, Paris Hilton gave a very good advice. You know, she once wore a shirt saying, stop being poor. Stop being poor. Paris Hilton. Oh my god. Have you seen this? I like this. Paris Hilton in all her glory. This is very good advice. Stop being poor. Really good advice. Hi Skinny, can you do one on comp? I don't think there's anything on comp, bro. Again, comp has made a move, but yeah, I don't see the chart pattern for comp. It's just, nope, it's the next coin for us. Good video and thanks, you're welcome. Hi Skinny, what's the current take on ARB and 1 inch? Arbitrum is still in a consolidation. That's how you do it. Yeah, I think there's another wave towards the upside coming on. There's a dip on BTC right now, which is great, which is time to start accumulating solid projects. Is ARB a solid project? Of course. Of course, there are clusters of stop sells here, so I suspect we may dip down, sweep all of the lows before going back up. That's my suspicion. We may not, but yeah, we'll see how it goes first though. This would be awesome, to be honest. Maybe sweep all the way until this low, sparing this, right? And then after that, phew, we go back up. Something like that would be awesome. So that's Arbitrum for you. 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch has just started crawling out of the woodwork. It's above the skinny pink line, which is great, which means that it is entering a bullish phase, right? The trend is switching bullish, but I suspect that there'll be some consolidation first before heading higher. So yeah, we'll get something that might look like an inverse hand shoulder, something like that, maybe. But as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for 1 inch, right? And 1 inch, if we were to go back towards its highs, this will be another 800%. Potentially, no guarantees, of course. We could also just collapse back down. But we're anticipating a very tight consolidation over here as we head higher, right? So Bitcoin dropping right now is great. It's really great. But you have to wait for it to start bottoming first, or some signs of a reversal. So for 1 inch, how low do I think it could go? Again, this is all just pure guessing. 55 cents. We're at 60 cents right now, so another 5 cents lower. To be honest, we can even drop to sub 50 cents, and we'll still be above the skinny pink line. And the bullish trend will still be on for 1 inch. So that's my take for 1 inch. It should do well, but I would prefer to see a higher quality chart pattern first before doing anything for 1 inch. Hey Skinny, can you see XFUND going back down to 500? I think we're down to 500 right now. XFUND is where is XFUND? XFUND is above the skinny pink line, right? We've already, not exactly, we broke it and then we came back down. So it's just marking around the resistance. And again, if you look at the weekly, right, there's a shooting star here. There's a bearish engulfing. So the signs are not good for XFUND. To be honest, XFUND could go back under 400, potentially, right? We're now at sub 600. So if there is no buying pressure to push it back up, we could fall back under 500 and then potentially even 400. So it's not really looking that good. But the big squeeze is still on, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then a higher low here. Could we drop back to sub 300, 200 something? Yeah, sure, of course. But the squeeze is still on for XFUND at this point of time, right? At this point of time. So yeah, I mean, it's still good. As long as we don't take out these lows. If we take out these lows, that's it. It's game over. New fan, just subscribe, enjoying the content. Thank you, you're welcome. Nathan. Chemicale says, any thought on STRAX? They announced a token swap and I had a bad experience with those. They don't buy STRAX? You've had bad experience with that? Oh, okay, probably you bought it and they initiated a token swap. Again, we're still above the skinny pink line. We're still expecting more upside. We are overbought right now, so a little bit of a rest will be great. How much higher do I think we could go? Sub $2 would be a target. And then we'll probably clear all of these highs here. Going up to potentially sub 350 is my guess. So marking around $2, mark around again, continue to 350, sub 350, yeah, something like that. That's my guess. So probably another 100% more for STRAX. Again, I don't see any chart pattern. This is just based off of noisy areas, right? And clusters of stop buys, so there's no hard target for STRAX. Not for me though. Candy Grabber with all the hearts. Pain says, hey Skinny, please cover RUNE again. What? Bro, RUNE is super duper overbought, bro. And we're close to its highs. And I can count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could RUNE go into price discovery? Of course, but RUNE is a no-go for us. Is there any hope for Zilliqa? Thanks for your insights. Zilliqa still has yet to hit its highs. So you see, what we did on RUNE was, I mean, if you could, notice very clearly, RUNE is already here, right? Zilliqa has not moved yet. Okay, no, it hasn't moved yet. It's let's say we cut it into half, right? It's not even halfway yet. So there's still a big chunk of meat for Zilliqa. But the thing about Zilliqa is the chart pattern isn't there yet. So yeah, again, we would love it if we could get something clearer here. It'll be great, but we don't see it yet. So we are approaching with caution. But very likely Zilliqa could be going up to 15 cents though. Right now at 3 cents. Yeah, there's still a long way to go for Zilliqa, but you want to be very careful, and you want to buy low and not buy high. Buy low, sell high, not buy high. And if things go wrong, right, you must also anticipate the possibility of things going wrong. So yeah, Amy, much appreciated. Bro, can I have a look at HYDRA when you next to your comments? HYDRA is the enemy of Captain America. HYDRA, where's HYDRA now? Could be. Yes, you're right. Sorry, buddy. Please give a round of applause for Amy. So let me tell you why HYDRA is good. First thing is we're already down. I don't know about buying HYDRA though. We're down like what, 98% from the very highs of $25. $25 to $2.50 to, did we go 25 cents? Ooh, almost there. 90% of 90%. Scary stuff, yo. It's scary stuff. And HYDRA has huge volume over here, which means that this is potentially the bottom. Let's see. Volume is what you call footprints in the sand. This is how you identify whales accumulating a particular asset, right? Give you a very good example. BDC, right? Can you see this volume over here for BDC? Was this the bottom? Yeah. But at that point of time, you wouldn't have known, right? Let's say over here, right? Oh, okay, let's say we go back a little bit further to here. At this point of time, things would have looked scary and felt scary, right? But you notice the volume, and if you could go back to my videos in October 2022, September, October, November, December, okay, this was the FTX collapse. You could tell that, I was really suspicious, but I wasn't really sure that the whales are already making move. Look at the volume. They're already making a move. So it's like, what do you think though? So yeah, eventually you will find out later, oh, this is the bottom. Again, like what Amy has mentioned, right? HYDRA. So if you look at HYDRA, I mean, of course, this is just on one exchange, right? You're going to look across all the other exchanges as well. It's just that Gate is shitcoin central, so a lot of shitcoiners are there. And yeah, this is looking to me like an ascending. You see that? We're knocking on the skinny pink line, about to break it potentially, right? So yeah, there could be something coming on for HYDRA. Again, there's a noisy area over here, so expect us to find some resistance at this area, right? Probably around $2. Right now at 75 cents. The very high is about $25. So let's say, for example, we go up to, again, this noisy area over here, right? Let's say sub $20. It's a 24x, 2,400% for HYDRA. But we still need to see some clarity first. We need to see this happen, right? Okay, bro, let's draw it as straight as we can. Yeah, ascending triangle. See this? Value 1, value true. Oh, that's HYDRA for you. So yeah, we'll probably make a pit stop here around this noisy area. We should stop a little bit and then go up to the next noisy area here. Stop a little bit and then potentially towards the close to the all-time highs at $17. If all things go right, if all things go well. So again, we're not entirely sure. Skinny pink line is still down. We're still under the skinny pink line, but the signs are there that HYDRA could be reversing because the whales are already making moves. You see this? The whales are already making moves. Accumulating HYDRA under $1. You see that? So anything under $1, in my opinion, will be good if we do break out and if we do start a new bullish trend for HYDRA. So thank you very much, Amy. And yeah, it's not exactly a symmetrical. Symmetrical is something like this, right? This is an ascending. Ascending is like this, right? symmetrical chart pattern, right? Symmetrical is like this, right? This is ascending triangle chart pattern, exactly. This is an ascending. You see this? It's an ascending. It's an ascending. This is an ascending. So this is actually an ascending as well. Right. So there you go. Thank you very much. User says, I bought it. I have 228 billion. Then suddenly, good on you. Johnny! Johnny is one of us. He's one of us. He's one of us. Johnny says, as one of the boys in Discord for a few years now, I just want to say that you saved me from the bear market and my skills are getting better all the time. The testimonial. If I was more pragmatic and less of a degen, we are all degens, I'll be much better off. Still learning. I'm also learning myself. Right. Skinny undersells himself on his YouTube channel. I was going to trade to make a video. He connected to make trades and he connected to answer our questions and give feedback on trade. I'm very good for the time he spends on us. Thank you very much, Johnny. Absolutely appreciate it. Johnny's a great guy. Johnny's an OG. He's been around for I forgot how many years. We started in 2019. So I think probably Johnny was yeah, just Johnny. Edro says, damn bro, good call out on this one. I got it right before I started going up. Good, eh? No one was talking about cats. So again, how do you get trade ideas? Yeah, by sitting in front of the computer, going through news, going through Twitter, YouTube channels, and then, you know, going through charts and looking at CoinGecko and like, you know, trying to see what's missing, you see. So yeah, it's like cats are missing. It's all dogs. Where are the cats? Trade idea, right? Let's go! Kick up moving to the moon. Self-key love. Sir, maybe you want to view power. There's nothing on power. Good morning, sir. Indians and Filipinos say this a lot. Sir, sir. Very polite way of addressing you. So when I was in the Philippines, right, I will never forget this. When I first walked into Jollibee, right? If you don't know, Jollibee is like a McDonald's in Philippines, right? Jollibee. I'm not sure if you have heard before. Jollibee! So the cashier, you know, when he first greets you, hello sir, welcome to Jollibee. How can I help you today? You want some cat soup? It's over there, sir. Our today's special is spaghetti and fried chicken. That's Jollibee for you. Cat soup, okay. It's not called ketchup. It's called cat soup. So I had some cat soup in Philippines. Yes, sir. It's called cat soup. There was a pump at the side. You pump your own cat soup. So I ate cats in Manila. Bonmon says, good morning, Skinny. Thanks for the updates. I have a question about CRO. There are so many ads now on YouTube with it. Is that a sign? What are your thoughts on why the volume is so low for CRO? I think I just did an update on CRO if I'm not wrong. I think so. Bro, CRO? There's something market cap rather has hundreds of millions of dollars trade volume every time, but CRO has like 200 million trade volume. It pales compared to any other top 50 crypto. Okay, it's very important, number one, to be able to learn how to identify chart patterns. One. Number two, it's also very important to have proper risk management, right? If you had nothing, right, nada, zero, nil in CRO, you wouldn't even care about CRO. You wouldn't even talk about CRO, right? Would you ask me about, let's say, AVEX, right? If you have nothing in AVEX or TONcoin or even Tron, right? But you are so concerned about CRO. I think we talked about CRO yesterday, top 40. You should check it out. Because you're very, you're worried about things not going well. And I don't know how much you put in or where your entry is. And so that's why risk management is so important. And yeah, you have this sense of you want it to do really well, but every other coin you see is pumping. But why isn't my coin pumping? Why isn't it yeah. So again, there are only three reasons why you should be making money on this bull run. Everyone should be making money this bull run. But yeah, you gotta work hard, you know, read all the news, go through all the suggestions from people, right? I mean, of course, you have to think for it. I mean, think for yourself. And yeah, you should also acquire the skills on reading charts. So, you know, anyway, I talked about CRO, so you can check it out in yesterday's video. MD Repair says, I put a few G's in the cat coins before the pump. Hopefully you're right about cat season. Yes, sir. I also hope that I am right. So hopefully your few G's become millions. Hopefully you become a millionaire. Thank you, the man. Love your vids. Thank you very much. I wouldn't mind the 48X. Yo, bro. I wouldn't mind the 48X too. For cat go, yeah. So Jules George said, I lost so high the divorce rate. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Luxembourg has a very high divorce rate. Scary. But his girl is from Germany, so maybe there is hope. Gala music. Okay, everybody, please give Borana a big round of applause. Please look at it. The graph looks great. You are right. It's low market cap. You are right. I would very like hear your thoughts. King regards skinny. King. Where are we? Gala music. Gala music is in a beautiful squeeze. Liquidity is at 500,000. Market cap is just single digit million. Single digit. If you were to zoom in, can you see this? This is a very high quality squeeze. Very high quality, but of course no guarantees, right? There are no guarantees in trading, but this is a high quality squeeze, which I expect a breakout to come on very soon. Very soon. Of course, if we break down, then that's it, right? But if we do break out in the right direction, we are expecting, drum roll please, 75 cents. Ta-da! What's the date today? It's the 14th? No, it's the 15th. 75 cents for Gala music. And everyone can trade this. Because why? It's on Uniswap. So you just need to move some ETH into MetaMask. And if you do not know how to use MetaMask, you're in trouble. Just YouTube how to use MetaMask and learn how to use it. There are plenty of opportunities in DEXs. Right? Plenty of opportunities, right? Like the cat coins that I just did, it's all in DEXs. Most of it, right? Not all, but most of it is in DEXs. Here's a squeeze. A, B, C, D. I think wave E is in the making. Right. And this is a 0.618 golden retracement. Can you see this? You bro, with precision, 0.618 and it's up. I mean, of course, we could also just take out these lows, right? Sure, of course. But this looks really good. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit into Gala music as well. Thank you very much, Borana. So this is why a community is important, right? And you are starting to see things the way it should be seen. I'm transferring some parts of my skills to you. Super Saiyan 1. I'm transferring Super Saiyan 1 to you. If you join us on Patreon, it's Super Saiyan 5. So, yeah. I think Super Saiyan 1, you can still make money, right? But of course, you have to be patient. And you have to sift through many charts to find this kind of a chart pattern. You don't always get it. But this is really good. So, thank you very much, Borana, for the suggestion, right? This is the importance of a community. So, yeah. Thank you very much. Billy says, where are the cats? You're staring at one. Even the title of your video, one is the cat. You don't even notice it. That means you are early. You must be a very big cat bag holder. Email guest. What? I can't remember. Let's call you email, right? Email says, hi Skinny. What is follow? Oh, okay. I think I've already responded to this. So there you go, boys and girls. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you have not checked it out yet, the top 40 yesterday. Go check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!